Trail's so bad that we're getting towed back into the woods where hopefully there's less snow. Welcome back, everybody. Oh, it's cold. So we are, well, hopefully I got a video of us coming in. I couldn't break trail with this, like, at all. So we had to be pulled back here. I mean, it was fun. I should have recorded more of it, but we were too busy and trying to get it back here and make sure I can get in and out. We're using the crappy microphone again because the crappier one that I just bought ended up being the worst thing that I've ever purchased in my life. I haven't found a good microphone or one that I want because I keep buying these, $60, $80 ones and they end up turning out to be crap. So that's what we're using. Tonight for dinner, we're going to have a T-bone steak, some potatoes. I brought an onion. And for the pup, he doesn't know yet, but he's got his own steak. Oh, and I picked up some more fire starters. Always trying to run away. You get your nose off there. Not bad looking. Throw a little bit of garlic on these. And a little bit of salt and pepper. And that should be all we need. Yeah, this is for you. Might be for me. I might eat it all. Might eat it all and you won't have nothing. Nothing. I'm kidding. It's yours. I bought it for you. Well, I guess while that stuff is sizzling, now's probably a good time to tell you guys that, I mean, if you're watching this, you already know, most likely. Either way, we just hit over 400 subscribers. When we hit 500 subscribers, I think I'm going to do a giveaway. So it's either going to be like, I found this really cool survival store that's like, it's not like military surplus, like old survival stuff. Like, it's up to date, all the new gadgets and gear and stuff. So I might pick some stuff out of there and do some reviews and then give those away. Or we might do like a Visa gift card so you can use anywhere. We might do one of those, probably the equal price of whatever I was going to buy from the store. So maybe $50 or something like that. But to be able to get that, or to win the giveaway, it's when we hit 500 subscribers. I need you to make sure you're subscribed and make sure that I can see that you're subscribed, because some people have their, like, I can't see all my subscribers. I can only see people that have theirs public. So I need to know you're subscribed, and then I need you to share a video or one of my videos either on Instagram or on Facebook. Both of them are at KT Outdoorsman, so just tag me in that and make sure you're subscribed. And that's all you got to do. And then I think, I mean, as the subscribers go up, like, we'll probably do it like every 500 or something like that. His is definitely done, because I mean, it's thinner than mine. His actually might be a little overcooked. This one should be about, that's probably still a little rare. I'm going to try to go for a medium rare. I guess we can cut his up for him. You think this is all just yours? Can you back up just a wee bit? Let that rest for a minute. Probably out of the wind would be smart, right? How are these potatoes and onions coming? They're almost done. Should probably get like a drawer organizer or something. Drawer. You know, sometimes I don't understand how you guys even watch my stuff. Every time, man. Every time. They're done. Unbelievably hot. They are done. Good. That worked out nicely for timing. Can you believe we did that just for him? Do you want this? You just freaking out, huh? You just freaking out, huh? Come on now. Sit down. How about this? Can you shake? Yeah, one at a time. Other one. Good boy. Wait. Wait. Okay. Absolutely. No, you had yours. Yeah, you had yours. I mean, you'll get some of the fat off this, but you still had yours. What am I even looking for? Oh. Well, I'm gonna eat this, and I get a fire started. It's about that time, right? So I'll see you guys in a minute when I start a fire. He is so dainty. Well, we're back in the truck. Funny story. The camera died, and I didn't even pay no attention. Didn't even know it. I set it up, hit record, started the fire and stuff, and I usually just let it play out. And then when I go through, I just edit it and take out the little small chunks that I want. And yeah. So it got like me bending down and starting the fire. That's it. So we're in the truck. It is now like 7 something. No, 8 something. 8:32. It's dark. It's cold. It's hot in here. It's currently 17 Celsius in here, which is, I don't know, because I'm in America, but it's hot. Yeah, so we're just gonna kick back and watch some of these free documentaries. Dogs curl up in a ball. You can probably see, yeah, we can probably see his butt right there. And I'm talking about you. Yeah, so we're just gonna hang out in here and I'll probably watch one of these free documentaries and go to bed. Call it a night. I don't really know. Not really much else to talk about. Giveaways. We need like 70 more subscribers. We can do a giveaway. Dog loved the steak. Also gave him the bone out of my steak with a good chunk of meat and fat on it because I don't know, I didn't want it and he did, obviously. Yeah, so I guess that's it. Just gonna see you guys in the morning. Got anything to add to that, bud? Nothing? I mean, you lay there and go to sleep, it's okay. He's just staring at me. That's a good boy. That's it, folks.
Good morning. It's actually really warm. It's like 39 degrees. I was gonna say 40 something, but it's 39. And it feels warmer than that. Yeah, 46. So the wind, feels like 39. It's warm, but the wind is coming in strong, and it's supposed to start just raining. So we're not gonna do much of a breakfast, really, of anything. And I don't even know how much I can film getting out of here, because if I slow down, like right here, it's fine. And once I get up and start heading up out the trail where the trees start thinning out, like we had to get pulled in. Can you not knock the camera over? I know, we just woke up, but you gotta watch what you're doing. Anyways, what are we talking about? I'm still sleeping. Yeah, we had to get pulled in, so I'm a little worried about slowing down going out that way. Because once I slow down, I don't think I can take back off again. Because the snow, we got there's like 8 inches or 10 inches of snow up there. It's a good 1.5 feet or so. But it's been warm a couple times for a couple days. Man, I can't talk this morning. Like, the snow is dense, wet, and heavy. So once the tires, like, you can step on it and it packs down, like, you only sink like 1.5 inches, 2 inches, right? But you can, move the snow down and it goes down another like 8 or 10 inches. So it's just wet and heavy. So as soon as these tires like spin, they just drop and sink in, and I'm stuck. There's nothing I can really do with ratchet strap and everything else. And once I get out towards the edge down there, there's no trees. There's nothing for me to hook onto to get out. Like, I'll just be calling someone to either come get me or someone to go get one of my other trucks to come out here to come get me. And I'd rather not drive any of my other trucks out through all the bushes to get back here. So, I guess we're just going to have some Krispy Kreme donut bites, because we're fat on this channel. One's for you, huh? Okay, get down. Slept good. Actually, probably one of the best sleeps out here. It's probably because of all the wind. Don't forget to subscribe if you like these type of things. Man, this morning is killing me. The sun just, technically came up like 8 minutes ago. But yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you like stuff like this, or if like any of my other videos or anything. Also, for the giveaway, don't forget, all you gotta do is subscribe, share it, and tag me in it. Everything's at KT Outdoorsman, so Instagram or Facebook. And make sure that I can see your subscriptions, I guess, because people can have their subscriptions private, so I can't see everybody that subscribes. So just make sure that I can see that, and that your stuff isn't private, it's public. And I guess that's it. Okay. You want a donut? She's just a good dog. Well, you just had one. I can't have one. There's only like 4 in a pack, man. Oh. Sit down. Good boy. Yeah, I guess that's basically it. We're going to cut this short and try to get out of here before this rain starts, because I'm already worried enough about getting out of here, because we can't get pulled back out of here by the property owner, because he has a job, normal adult things. So he's not currently here. Well, I guess thanks for watching, Really appreciate every one of you guys. Subscribers going up like crazy. Appreciate every one of you guys. And then I guess we'll see you on the next one.